This is the olive tree. This is a lemon tree. This is a cactus, sweetie. This is the orange tree. Still drop, many drop because here make many wind. This is like a palm tree. This I don't know what kind of tree is. Still come make flowers like it's come tall, huh? This is avocado tree. This is jasmine tree. This is avocado too. This is passion tree. This I don't know, like yucca. Oh, don't have. Why don't have fruits? That's come nice. This don't want many sun. This cactus. This is stephanotis. This is hibiscus. I see in Philippines like this. This is the clock. You see the clock? This is a apple. Never make, small make. Now have a flowers. It's not happy here, this tree. This is rosemary. This is a palm. I won't cut this sometimes. This is oregano. No, oregano, I forget in English.